Hi, I'm Marta.
And I'm Abby. We're farmers at PHS.
And we're here at Meadowbrook Farm in Jenkintown, Pennsylvania, a beautiful space owned and operated by PHS and open to the public.
At PHS, we're on a mission to garden for the greater good. As part of our PHS Harvest program, we are committed to fighting food insecurity by helping our neighbors learn how to grow and share their harvests. Today, we're talking about potatoes.
Potatoes grow best in well-drained, fertile soil and can be grown in bags, buckets, or the ground. When plants are 6 inches tall, you can mound soil around the plant to encourage root growth, which means more potatoes. Make sure all potatoes are completely covered by the soil, as the sun will turn them green and poisonous.
Our friends at Whole Foods Market have tips to make the most of your harvest.
Hi, I'm Daniela, a forager with Whole Foods Market. When choosing a potato, make sure the skin is smooth. It should be free of dark spots and blemishes and should not have any sprouts. You also want to avoid potatoes that have green bits or any spots that are dark or squishy. Store your potatoes in a cool, dark spot. They should stay out at room temperature and have air to circulate and breathe. When choosing potatoes to cook with, you want to look at waxy versus starchy potatoes. Starchy potatoes, like sweet potatoes, russets, and yams, work best for baking applications and frying. Starchy potatoes can hold on to liquid when they're cooked, so you really want to avoid using them in soups and stews or any other boiling application. Waxy potatoes, like Yukon Golds or fingerlings, work great in soups and stews. These can hold up to being boiled. If you're not sure what you're going to be using your potato for, go for something in the middle, like a red or a purple potato. These work great for just about any application.
Thanks for joining us. There are lots of ways to get involved in the PHS Harvest program. Join our community by signing up for PHS Harvest as an individual or group. Start your food garden by finding local supplies and learning to grow with PHS videos and educational resources. And finally, share what you've grown with your community. PHS will help you find out where and how to donate. Together, we can make an impact in the fight against food insecurity.
Happy harvesting!